Older adults in Fairfax County are seeking affordable ways to stay in their communities. Through initiatives led by county government and the Fairfax County Redevelopment and Housing Authority, affordable homes are being preserved and developed. Among these efforts is Oakwood Meadow Senior Residences in Alexandria, where individuals like Quita thrive in a vibrant community.
My grandchild is 11. I moved into my daughter's house when she was born, and I stayed with them for 11 years. I moved to Oakwood in August. I fit everything in here that I bought, from a 3-level townhouse in Old Town to a 1-bedroom here, which is really nice. That says a lot. And I've added quite a few things. The kitchens are very well done, and we eat well. And we share food with the things that we cook. It's a new start. It's whatever it is you want it to be. And that's what makes it really fun. When you come in, there are rocking chairs in the front. We took over the rocking chairs. So we see everybody who comes in. And that's how we get to know everybody. And the activities that we have will do the same. They keep us busy. We have an enormous amount of things to do. We have karaoke. We have games downstairs. We live here, which is really fun because it's a 24-hour building. If you want to go down at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning and play pool, you just go down, go into the game room with your key fob. I didn't know pool before I came in. So everybody comes in to the pool table, and we all play at different times, so everybody in the building gets to use the pool room. And we'll just come up and say, hey, you mind if I join for the game? So there are about 4, 5, 7 puzzles down, and enough tables. You put the puzzle together as much as you can, and somebody else will come and add to it. So there can be, I don't know how many people working on the puzzle until they get it finished. Workout's fun. You gotta go. The exercises look really simple, but the greatest thing about moving here is I've lost 2 dress sizes. When I moved in here, there were clothes I couldn't wear that I can wear now again, and I don't have to throw them away. It's impossible to tell you about everything we do here because we do so much. It's really nice. The best thing is you can always go home. You can do all the things in the area, but you can always go home.
Visit our website for more information on affordable housing options in Fairfax County.